Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Outdoor patio area, Impressionist, pergola with wooden beams and climbing vines, light beige and gray wicker furniture with light gray cushions, various patterned throw pillows in a muted palette of neutral tones, lavender bushes and other greenery, rustic stone columns and walls, light beige and terracotta-colored paving stones, low coffee table with small decorative items, small round woven poufs in beige, a blurred outdoor dining area beyond the pergola, warm natural light, slightly hazy. Background, detailed woven wicker texture on furniture, hyper-realistic lighting and shadows. A modern, light gray concrete house with a large, open-air patio and pool. Hyper-realistic, outdoor living space. Gray concrete walls, light beige/cream stone flooring. Large, sliding glass doors that open to a modern kitchen, with warm wood accents and pendant lights. Dark gray, slate-like pool tiles, and a pool with calm, dark teal water. Outdoor lounge furniture, light beige/gray sofas and daybeds with light tan/khaki cushions. Lush tropical plants and greenery everywhere. A fire feature at one end of the pool area. Well-lit scene with natural light filtering through the foliage and into the living space. Rustic stone exterior patio, warm evening light, hyper-realistic, large stone building with dark stained, double French doors opening onto a wooden deck, patio furniture including lounge chairs and daybeds in light beige/cream tones, wooden coffee tables and side tables, scattered throw blankets, warm earthy colors of the stone and the wood, hints of greenery and shrubs, string lights draped along the stone facade, natural light filtering through the windows, wooden deck with weathered wood. Planks, stone landscaping around the patio. Setting is a secluded outdoor space connected to a cozy interior, likely with a bar area visible through the doors. Modern, minimalist Zen garden, hyper-realistic, large backyard patio with a contemporary house in the background, light gray paving stones and decking, pebble-filled water features, cascading waterfalls into koi ponds, gray and white outdoor lounge furniture with beige and light gray cushions, large windows and sliding glass doors to the home, trees and shrubs surrounding the yard, warm natural light, wooden beams and supports, lighting accents on exterior walls, lush green foliage, subtle gray tones, a touch of tranquility, detailed stonework, smooth transitions between water features and paving. Photorealistic, cozy outdoor patio, brick wall with hanging greenery and flowers, red blossoms, wicker chairs with terracotta orange cushions, small round black metal table, potted plants, large windows with a view of trees and greenery outside, warm lighting from Edison bulbs, wooden floor, Impressionist, soft lighting, natural, detail, lush greenery, organic shapes, detailed textures of wicker and brick, depth of field, realistic shadows, carefully placed plants. Photorealistic outdoor patio with gray sectional sofa and ottomans, stone patio, koi pond, waterfall, and brick house. Large patio area with a modern gray sectional sofa and matching ottomans, featuring a low-profile design with visible metal frame. A stone patio, light gray with darker accents, leads to a koi pond with lily pads. A small waterfall cascades down into the pond from a collection of large, natural rocks. Large trees and shrubs line the perimeter. A modern brick house with dark windows and a dark roof is partially visible behind the patio. Colors are muted and earthy tones, grays, browns, dark greens, and hints of orange from the koi fish and lily pads. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio scene. A circular, stone fire pit with a flickering gas flame, surrounded by 4 dark gray Adirondack chairs. The patio is paved with light gray and beige flagstone pavers. Bushes and flowers, in shades of orange, yellow, and red, flank the fire pit and chairs. A tranquil lake and lush green trees are visible in the background. The scene is bathed in soft, ambient light, suggesting a pleasant evening. A stone wall is visible, separating the patio from a garden with more flowers and plants. Detailed textures and subtle shadows are essential. Photorealistic garden path, cobblestone pathway leading through a lush, landscaped backyard, full of greenery, trees, and shrubs. Gray outdoor seating area with modern metal frame furniture and patterned cushions, light gray comfortable sofa or sectional and matching ottoman. Brick exterior walls, dark metal fencing, fire pit, various sized colorful stones in the cobblestone pathway, large rounded gray stone garden ornaments, soft green and browns and muted tones, natural light, sunny day, trees provide shade and dappled light, well-maintained landscaping, meticulous design, impressionistic rendering of plants and textures focus on the pathway and outdoor furniture. Photorealistic outdoor patio with a modern water feature. Light gray stone pavers form a patio with a tiered design, featuring a cascading water feature. A large rectangular water basin filled with dark gray/blue water sits below a waterfall. The water flows in a continuous stream, creating a tranquil atmosphere. The patio extends to a covered area with lounge chairs and a modern outdoor kitchen. Lush green trees and foliage surround the patio. The colors are cool and neutral, with light gray stone, dark water, and muted greens/browns in the landscaping and seating. The scene evokes a sense of calm and luxury with a modern aesthetic. Outdoor pergola, hyper-realistic, wooden pergola with dark brown, weathered wood beams and supports, string lights draped beneath, lush green foliage, including a vertical garden wall of plants, gray outdoor sectional sofas and armchairs, a low coffee table, stone and wood decking, warm, soft lighting illuminating the space, plants, small potted plants, natural gravel flooring, a small fire pit, pool in the background, ambient lighting, evening scene, detailed textures in the wood. Plants and furniture focus on the details of the outdoor space, calm and relaxing atmosphere. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio area, modern mid-century home, large gray stone paver patio, gray outdoor furniture set with light gray throw pillows, fire pit in the center with burning flames, lush green trees and plants surround the patio, modern style home with large windows, warm lighting from the home's interior, natural daylight. Warm toned bricks surrounding the fire pit, varying shades of gray and brown in the stonework. Depth of field, focus on the fire pit, impressionistic. Rendering of the foliage, calm and inviting atmosphere. Outdoor patio living room, hyper-realistic, a wooden sectional sofa set made of reclaimed wooden pallets, gray upholstered cushions, various patterned throw pillows in a mixture of muted colors and textures, plants in various planters, wood planks, a small garden bed, rustic style, warm-toned wood, gray and off-white color scheme, garden, trees, pergola with string lights, warm lighting, outdoor kitchen in the background, natural setting, a rug on the wooden deck.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.